Hello everyone. Before entering the topic, please like, share and subscribe V Guru channel. Today topic 10th standard in first chapter India relief features. The major relief division of India: Himalayas, Indo-Gangetic Plains, Peninsular Plate, Coastal Plains, Islands, Desert. And today topic Himalayas. Himalayas run from west to east direction, form of an arch with a distance about 2400 kilometers. Their width differs from 500 kilometers in western region to 200 kilometers in central and eastern region. The Himalayan ranges consist of three parallel ranges. The Himalayan ranges separated with deep valleys and extensive plains. The northernmost of the Himalayas are called Greater Himalayas or Himadri. In this region consists of highest peaks, an average elevation of 6,100 meters above mean sea level. The Greater Himalayas composed of the snow and ice cover, and the Greater Himalayas covered by snow and ice cover and melting glaciers, the source of the perennial rivers. And second one, Lesser Himalayas. The southern ranges of the Greater Himalayas are called Lesser Himalayas. The average height of the Lesser Himalayas 3,700 meters to 4,500 meters, which has rugged relief. The Lesser Himalayas composed of the highly compressed rocks. The Lesser Himalayas consist of the valleys like Kashmiru, Kangra and Kulu in Himachal Pradesh. The Lesser Himalayas, well known mainly hill stations: Mussoorie, Nainital and Ranikhet. The Lesser Himalayas covered by evergreen forests. And third one, Shivalik ranges. The portion found that southern of the Lesser Himalayas are called Shivalik ranges. The average height of the Shivalik ranges 900 to 1100 meters. Regionally known as different names. In Jammu region, Jammu Hills, and Mishmi Hills in Arunachal Pradesh, Kachar in Assam. And in Lesser Himalayas, in Arunachal Pradesh, take hairpin bend to the south, act as an eastern boundary of the India. And next, in regionally, the Shivalik ranges run through in eastern states, and in eastern states these ranges are called Purvanchal. Regional known as Patka Hills, Mishmi Hills, Naga Hills and Mizo Hills. Finally, I am saying to you Mount Everest, Kanchanjunga, Dhavalagiri. These mountains are highest mountains in this Himalayas. Second relief division, Indo-Gangetic Plain. The Himalayan rivers, the interaction of the Himalayan rivers, Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, and tributaries resulted formation of great northern plains. In the beginning, it was a shallow basin. It was filled with alluvial soil brought from the Himalayan rivers. The consists of Indo-Gangetic Plain three divisions. One, western part, central part, and eastern part. First one, western part. The western part was formed by river Indus and its tributaries, the Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bias, and Satluj, flowing from the Himalayas. And the Indus basin, most of the Indus basin located in Pakistan, leaving minor portion of Punjab and Haryana states. And in this region, though features dominate between the two rivers. Second one, central part. The central part known as Gangetic Plain. It extends from river Gagar to Tista. Here, the Ganga Gangetic Plain extends Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. Here, the river Ganga, Yamuna, its tributaries Kosu, Sonu, etc. drain. Third one, eastern part. Eastern part mostly consists of river Brahmaputra valley of Assam. River Brahmaputra mostly and responsible of the formation of eastern part. While Himalayan rivers flowing down deposit gravel and pebble sediments to narrow belt of 8 to 16 kilometers width and parallel to south of the Shivalik ranges. And this region known as Babar. Babar is a forest nature. And small rivers and streams flowing underground through Babar region and reappear in lower areas and formed swampy wildlife. However, owing to migration of Indus partition, the Terai zone has now been cleared and used for agricultural operation. Fine alluvial soil found towards the south of the Terai zone. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe V Guru channel. Thank you.